everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little Valentine's Day themed lookbook. I have chosen to style 5 different Valentine's Day themed outfits for you guys that you could potentially wear out to dinner, you can wear it for drinks. Even like if you're not in a relationship, you can still rock these outfits and live your best life. There's so much pressure nowadays in society to like a relationship, get married, etc. And if you're completely comfortable like being single, just own it. I have styled 5 different outfits that you could potentially wear wherever you want. If you're going for like a girls' night, these outfits are all very wearable. They're actually quite like sexy because it is Valentine's Day. You know, everyone with a partner wants to dress up for their boyfriends or girlfriends and make an effort and, you know, smoking, so they're gonna make you feel fine on Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. If you're stuck for ideas on maybe what to wear for Valentine's Day or for just a date night in general, then keep on watching because hopefully I'll be able to give you some inspiration. Before we start the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel because I make weekly content like this. I've hit now over 300 subscribers, which I generally can't believe. Like when I started, like I was talking to like 2 people. So I'm really thankful for everyone that subscribes and gives me the time of day because I know there are so many other people that you can watch. So just the fact that you take the time to subscribe and watch my videos means the world. So if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to stay notified on when I upload. That is the end of my lookbook. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up because it will really help me out, and leave me a comment. Maybe tell me what your favourite outfit is. I'd love to know down in the comments. Please remember to subscribe to my channel because I make weekly content like this, and also hit the bell if you're interested on being notified when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!